Hello everyone. So in this video you shall be learning how to make a simple painting of Ganesha, and then you can photo frame it and hang it in your home. You can also have it in the puja room or at the entrance of your home. So anywhere in the house such a small frame will add beauty. So the materials needed for making this is a simple photo frame with a laminate on top, and then you need a watercolor sheet or canvas on top of which you need to do the painting. A simple cloth, you can use any blouse material at home, any silk cotton material, any brocade material, chanderi material, anything to give a contrast to your painting. As for the painting, you shall be needing the general stationeries like a ruler, pencil, eraser and a color pencil. The color pencil should be in the shade of either magenta like this or in a maroon or pink shade. Then you shall be needing the paint brushes of size 00 and 3. Other than that, you shall be needing a simple palette where you need to mix the colors, and you can use either pastel colors or watercolors for this. You can also do this with sketch pens if you don't have any of the watercolor or pastel color with you. For this painting I have used pastel colors, and the colors I have used are skin color, brown, golden, yellow, crimson, black, white, violet, green and Prussian blue. Or if you don't get the Prussian blue color, you can use primary blue and mix a little bit of black. So these are the materials needed in making this painting. Let's get started. You should draw one bracket, one U and another bracket. Then I'm going to draw this. Now on top of this, we can add colors. You can either do sketching with sketch pens, or you can use color pencils, or you can also use poster colors like I'm going to use. Poster color or skin color, white and crimson color for doing the face work. Brush size number 3. take a smaller brush, size 00, and with the crimson, you can give an outline to the face. First, mark a small circle for the iris. It should be placed at the exact center of the eye. Draw the entire eyeball. And fill this gap with brown. Now you have the picture cut out in the size of 12 cross 12. So on top of this, I am taking you can take any cloth, any blouse material, any home colorful cloth, and place this picture right on the center. Add a color which gives quite a contrast to your painting. We will be simply just placing it inside the photo frame, and your painting will be. So your painting is now photo framed and ready for display. You can also similarly like this, you can add a red background or any other color. I hope you had a good session learning this, and thank you.
Get to watch interesting videos like this by subscribing our channel, and don't forget to like and share.